Introducing the WireCrafters Technician Locker, also referred to as the Mechanic or Distribution Locker. This unique system allows for drivers and technicians to enter the facility in a controlled environment and have all of their parts sorted and waiting in their designated lockers. The Technician Locker can be used with simple padlock, key card reader, keypads, or a variety of other locks. On the reverse side, the parts manager can load all lockers from the inside of the WireCrafters cage system. All items stay separated and inaccessible from the technician side of the locker bay, allowing the driver-technician to only access their designated cell. Customize your technician locker with pre-design and layout assistance from WireCrafters. Ideal for distribution centers, lift truck companies, cable companies, plumbing companies, electrical companies, HVAC companies, auto tech centers, and more, the WireCrafters Technician Locker offers controlled inventory loss, controlled access, maintained organization, and reduced costs.